Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
So you want the angle of the lateral tension to go through the deepest part that I can put on the lockout lifter and try pulling here as well. So I'm gonna do that before I start lateral tension. Glue a tab in here and make my lifter ready to work with the dent. First we're gonna do lateral tension only to show you if it releases. But if I have to put too much power in there, well then we'll do the lifter also. So to make sure you have all the lateral tension you need, make sure your tool is against the edge here. Then you can start pulling. So before we start pulling, show you the setup. Foot on the bottom, foot on the side here. You see the crazy angle they're doing. So this is the angle the tool covers. It's just glued in a smaller piece of centipede to help pulling. an extra smaller foot. New feet are coming, but they're still on the way. There are 2 sets of new feet coming, and I'm testing this shape because, of course, I hear people say, yeah, the real estate of the feet is big, and I understand that. But if you see how much pressure I had here with the bigger foot on it, and here, nothing moved, nothing kinks. So the more I'm testing smaller feet, the more I'm convinced that the bigger you can glue on there to put pressure, lateral tension on it, on the metal, the better it will be. The bigger the real estate of the feet, the less damage you'll create. And of course, in combination with the ball feet, allowing the metal to move in any direction you want, you almost, if you think while you're working, you almost will not create any collateral damage doing your dance. Also, because of the ball feet, look at the angles I'm taking here. There is no tool that can do this. No tool or no copiers that can do this. I can do this with one finger and it stays where it needs to be with the lateral tension on it. So I don't see what the problem is, but anyway. If you want to be in the range of hydraulic power, you need a tool that is strong enough. Because if you have a smaller tool, the tool starts warping and bending and it becomes dangerous. We tested these up to more than 1,200 pounds and the tool did not break. It keeps the rigidity and it keeps it solid, like you can see. There are bearings in there to make it smooth, and there is a lot of pressure on it, pulling those dents open.